This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cody Becker. Annual rental in Viera East. Move-in ready 2-bedroom, 2-bath second-floor condo in the Greens at Viera East, a gated community in Rockledge, Brevard County. New flooring throughout. Open floor plan with great natural light, kitchen with breakfast bar, walk-in closet, full-size washer and dryer in the unit, generous storage, and a screened balcony off the living room. 2 full baths in 1,078 square feet, so you get real space, not a scaled-down 2-bed 1-bath. Community amenities include a pool, hot tub, fitness center, library, clubhouse, sundeck and car care center. Owner pays trash and HOA. Landlord handles HVAC maintenance and air filters. Minutes to the Avenue Viera, I-95, Space Coast Beaches, Patrick Space 4 Space, dining, shopping and Viera schools. Easy commute to Melbourne, Coco, Kennedy Space Center, and Orlando. A good fit for relocating professionals and commuters. Unfurnished, 12-month lease. No smoking and no pets, no exceptions. Available now. For more information, review the details below or contact Cody Becker at 407-627-9153.